Middle in the middle, man in the middle attack will be command will be in a later chapter, and getting the data to the pi will be another man in the middle attack and getting the data to the pi. Our command will be showing later from this textbook penetrated test with Raspberry Pi. So I basically I will. Oh, getting the data to the pi will be shown in this video, but not man in the middle attack, because that will perform later after I did getting the data, and it's gonna be in a next chapter hopefully. So first thing I connect. So this picture basically connect the Ethernet with a USB Ethernet, but I do not have a USB. But my Raspberry Pi come with the Ethernet, so I could just basically try to use this command.
No worries, pal. Maybe you're just not the detective type.
ATP get install bridge Unity.
And Robocity, it's the most cutting-edge place ever. What happened? This isn't how I remember it.
Command, and it will installing the packet.
Robot or Renaissance automaton can play songs. Play Greensleeves. How about Beethoven's Ninth?
Now put down Skateboard Thrasher.
Okay, it started installing. And then once it's installed, you will turn Raspberry to the network pitch for the network tap purposes. Set up the Raspberry mount also is used as instructed. Directed parent will be covered. See, setting up Raspberry Pi in a manner is also ideal to use it as an instruction detection prevention. So we will cover this in chapter 6 over the Raspberry Pi project. This one will not. I will not go to chapter 6 because this is. Yeah, I will stop at chapter 5 and start my report on my super project. So I will use this command. You will need to configure both Ethernet port as an open IP address, which is also known as DEM 0.0.0.002. So to do that, I type this command, where Ethernet 0 is one that's connected to your Raspberry Pi, where another Ethernet 1 is connected to USB Ethernet. But I'm gonna just check. I'm gonna do fconfig.
Guys, look at this. It's the RD001. It's like your great-great-grandbot, Starty. Hello.
Invented by the great Professor Otto von Otto. Professor Otto von Otto, visionary inventor, roboticist. Unfortunately, during
So I think I use Ethernet 00. I assume that's the one that's connected to Raspberry Pi. If not, I could use Ethernet.
Professor's reputation suffered. He was so heartbroken, he disappeared, never to be seen in public again.
Not fair.
If config command not following, so it's lowercase if.
But the rest of his design was amazing.
Config.
Reputations take years to make, but can be destroyed in just a few seconds.
Yeah, that's work. And then I might, so you have to be lowercase 1, and I might do 1 and see if Ethernet error while getting the interface workable such device. That show that the USB Ethernet is not connected, so I cannot do Ethernet 1.
Currently on Medicare. In other words,
Make sure you download the bridge tutorial before doing this, or you will have to reset the internet facing back working to download internet. But another workaround is install a USB to Wi-Fi adapter to another USB internet tablet to get back up online for the missing application. So next we will bridge the interface, bridge zero interface using bridge command and add both Ethernet interface. So I can add the two bridge together, but I cannot do Ethernet 1 because I do not have a USB Ethernet 1 connected to it. But I can do this. Add bridge.
That's 800-504-1255.
It's the same kind. Add if.
How do you know that your parents love you? Because they have me kiss me a lot.
Add if bridge 0 Ethernet 0.
They give me surprises and take me to surprise places.
And then do the same. Add if Ethernet bridge 0 to 1. This will give me error because interface of Ethernet does not exist. So that's why I cannot do Ethernet 1. But I show that I don't have Ethernet. I do not have. Yeah, this is a USB for my keyboard and mouse. This is a power source. This is HDMI cable. This is my Ethernet, and I do not have a USB of Ethernet because it's gonna take time to deliver my place for a couple of weeks. Or a couple of weeks, but I can't do a couple of weeks because my report is due on at May 12 at 6 a.m. So I'm gonna add some stuff and some errors to show that it worked, but it might need more time to fix that particular error. The last step is turning on new bridge configure both the Ethernet interface using the following command. If config bridge BRIDGE 0 up.
And that isn't fair.
If let's spell config.
In somebody's game, that's
Misspell.
not fair.
Oops.
She doesn't
Again.
learn a good
Uh-huh.
job. She said this like that. Or lion.
Yeah.
Oh, Arnold. When my sister doesn't let me use a camera. When my sister gets to have treats and I am not allowed
The
to
following screenshot shows the output of TCP thumb view as a traffic talking laptop servers and the internet. Wow. This is what's supposed to happen. The following screenshot shows the output TCP as target laptop servers the internet. A lot of laptop Wi-Fi. Somewhat, so the results can be similar to this, but with different technology connect to Wi-Fi, like mobile device, tablet, and laptops, and Raspberry Pi as well. You may now find that some traffic, such as web-based SSL trafficking, is encrypted. So we will cover how to beat this SS strip later in this chapter.